Hello everybody. This is a short video about the Joker Ember. It came in from Spain. It took a while, but so yeah, it's just a cardboard box with some information. It just has the address and it says handcrafted cutlery knives. Yeah, nothing fancy there. But this is how it came. So we will just do the unboxing and have a closer look at the knife and do some specs. And for the people that already saw the other videos, you know the idea. It's about 4 knives that I want to compare, and different steels, same price range. And we've already done the Real Steel, the Nordic knife design, and the Casstrom in D2 ATC Chrome 4 and 80 Chrome V2, sorry, Sleipner, and this one is 14C28. Okay, so let's do the unboxing and do some specs to get that out of the way, and then we get to the video where we're going to be doing the tests, and that will be following later this year. Alright, let's go. Okay, so here it is, the box. We open it. It wasn't sealed with tape or anything, so just like this. And as you can see, it comes in plastic. What else is in the box? A fire steel scraper, and that is because it comes with a fire steel and I think 10 feet of lanyard or something like that. A few meters. Alright, so the box, nothing. Let's put that aside. So let's take that out of the plastic, and then we have the, yeah, what is this? Oh yeah, that's the lanyard that's on the knife already. So there is a nice sheet with a dangler, as you can see, fire steel. Well, let's take the knife out first. And also in plastic. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Alright, so here we have the knife. The steel is 14C28. It has quite a ricasso here with a sharp point. That means you can crawl up to the knife pretty nice, but it does feel a bit sharp. So maybe, I don't know, we're gonna see if that's gonna be a problem with the actual use, but you can get nice and close to the blade. Yeah, so that is a good thing. Let's have a look around the knife. The other side, it says, I don't know if that is visible here, but it says Joker Ember, and with the logo. I don't know if that is visible or not. Okay, it has a nice spear point kind of geometry here, nice handle. At the back you can see that it has a protrusion there, so you can do a little bit of scraping with that or hammering and stuff like that. And at the back of the handle you can see a nice yeah, moving upwards, that if you want to use it for chopping, you have a nice grip here at the end, and of course with the lanyard for the extra security. That feels good. So just out of the box, I think it's going to be a great chopper in that respect. Well, comes with a lanyard, which is nice. So let's get over some specs to get that out of the way. Let me get the list, otherwise I might get it wrong. So let's go over the weight. It's about 160 grams according to the website, which is about 5.6 ounces. It is about 10.5 centimeter long blade, which is a little over 4 inch. The height is 2.8 centimeters, which is about 1.1 inch. And it is about 3.7 millimeter thick, which is about 0.14 inch, which is pretty nice. Well, it's got a drop point, scandi, full tang construction. Like I said, 14C28 steel. The handle is about 12 centimeters, which is about 4.7 inch. It's about 58 to 59 on the hardness scale, so that is pretty nice. And this one is also available in curly birch or micarta, the scandi version. If you have the flat grind, you can get it in micarta, curly birch and olive. So the flat grind is not available in oak. Walnut, I'm sorry, in walnut. So they have nice pins. They look a little bit like a brassy kind of material, and nice. So all in all, it has liners. I don't know the color. Is that black? Black liners. Yeah, black liners. So that's a nice touch. And this knife was about 147 euros, which is at the high end of my testing group, because I was about 100 to 150 euros, so this is really at the high end. Well, you get a nice leather sheet. Let's have a closer look at that. So the sheet comes with a fire steel. And what I like is that the handle of the fire steel is the same wood as the knife, so that makes it nice. Yeah, it comes also with a brass pinhole there, same like the knife. So there's a lot of detail there. I hope that the steel is quality, but we'll see. We'll try it out later. That is really tight fit with the line, so that is nice and secure. Double stitched, drain hole at the end in this case, and a dangler. And what I like about this one is you can either use it as a belt loop, which is nice, and it has the dangler, which is removable. Yeah, so you have options there, and that is a nice touch because you don't see that with a lot of, well, knives in this price range. So a lot of quality in the leather there. All right, so having said that, that means that we can now go to the comparison, and we'll put it at the block with the other knives. All right, so let's put it in the block. Alright, so let's add the Joker Ember to the rest of the knives. Hey. Oh yeah, that's the lanyard. Well, too bad. Alright, there's the lineup. The next video will be a comparison between the four. So let's get on it. Okay, so the Joker Elmer in, let's, oh no, that's dangerous. Oh, not hard enough, no. Oh, oh shit, okay, pause it.